Katenat transport kelarai ban penmi yagi kendon trekam na kebentar kajing syakri rapido bike. Haba keren syakinong petai kubor Menteri Katenat Transport ba dasakyat lamare ulaang ba kajing kang no ya kajing syakri jong ki bike kalakta shibun ikilat yok kam yok jam jong ki samla samhoy. Lajar kat taru kilami ru kijing ujor persyak na kinongnya taksi bakim jula syuk ban yok yakipat nang syong kali kumbaju yok baro syikata. Ulaang bakasorkar kala persyang kat bala banwanra ya kajing yak hun bat jing mentoy lang jong kinongnya taksi bat kinongnya bike rapido.
So we'll have to put up some guidelines here. So still now we are working on it. We're sitting time after time with the department to find out the best solution to balance the satisfaction from both sides, the public as well as the other public who are taxi drivers.
So how soon the government is coming up
As
with
soon as possible.
this guideline?
As soon as possible.
Kaseng United